Guys, is it possible to reach an orgasm with food? 100% it is. The name of the video is So Good and Tasty. It got 465,000 views in a matter of a year, and hey, let's check it out.
Oh God, it's so good. So good. So good and tasty.
If that guy wasn't being recorded, oh my god, that dressing that he's putting would be something else. Oh. One thing, guys, I would not like to be his roommate. Yo, Merlin, are you here? Okay. Yo, can I get the vacuum for a second?
So good and
what?
tasty.
I'm out. You see what I mean? The truth of all, I did watch his first video. His name is Merlick Hawkwood. It was made on 1992. To be completely honest, I think it's really cringy. He takes 30 minutes to make a goddamn salad. Maybe his career is just not with food, because he ends up eating it before he gives it to his customers. But at the end of the day, he does have some talent for music.
Oh God, it's so good. So good. So good and tasty.
That was funny. Talking about funny, I want you to meet Pinky, my favorite animal. This is Pinky the cat, a very loving animal. We're giving him for adoption, so make sure you have your phones ready because he'll be gone in a matter of a minute.
Pinky. Hi, this is Pinky.
Let's start again. Hold on.
That was awkward.
Go.
This is Pinky. He's a male cat, domestic short hair. He's available for adoption. He's pet of the week. He's a very loving cat.
What? I didn't hear that.
He's a very loving cat.
Aww, that's nice.
Hang on to it, please. Oh, here. Pinky.
Pinky.
Pinky. Whoa. Whoa.
Oh my god, that's some feisty pussy.
Well, we got a wildcat on our hands. Pinky, settle down, bud. Careful, Cole. Why don't I get a catch pole? Somebody get a catch pole. Just set it over there.
No.
Get a catch pole.
Catch all over to get him.
Yeah, because I'm not going to grab him.
Really? What did he just say 30 seconds ago?
He's pet of the week. He's a very loving cat.
Start it from there. Just disconnect it from the deck.
He has a testicle! And he doesn't want to let go!
You got him back?
Use my language.
And with that, I love the ending. And just like curiosity killed the cat, I wonder what type of music Pinky listens to.
Stay out of my face. You mean nothing to me. Take my secret. Recognize your fate. I'm looking forward to what you have to me. You're crossing the story that you have to me.
Damn! Pinky goes hard with heavy metal. Yo, Pinky, I think I got your new member. This lady was at a sport event. As soon as she started cheerleading, I realized that she had talent. Damn! This lady goes hard. I just want to put this out there, guys. I would not like to have sex with her. Oh, babe. Hell nah, I'm out. You know who I feel bad for? Her son! Hey, Michael. What's your opinion on your mom?
I hear those screams every night. The worst is bringing to soccer practice. God, I hate her.
Man, I actually do feel bad for that kid. Like, her mom went viral on the internet, not even in a good way. Like, that must hurt. Like, I wouldn't want to see my mom out there. Wait, I'm getting a phone call. Yo, Obama, what's up, bro? You wanna do the outro? Yeah, man, like, less work for me, bro. Why not?
That's all, folks.
Thank you, Obama. Your help is always gonna be needed. And for you, my loyal watchers, come here. Guys, thank you so much for staying throughout the whole video. Honestly, if you enjoy my content, please like it, as well as drop a comment down below and subscribe. You won't regret it. And the next clip is gonna come next week, and if we manage to hit at least 10,000 likes, I will definitely do a giveaway. So don't forget to like this video. Other than that, thank you so much and peace out, guys.